Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover Binance account. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. If you're new to Binance, use the link below to get 20% trading fee rebate plus $100 sign-up bonus. Now, this solution will work on both phone and web version or the computer version. When you try to log in, say, for example, you type down your email, and when you hit on next, as you can see here, sometimes it will require a passcode or a PIN. Just go ahead and select my passkeys are not available. Just click on it. Now in here, where it asks you to put your password, just go and select forgot password. Okay. It says here, in order to protect your account, withdrawals, P2P selling and payment services might be disabled for 24 hours. All right. After you change your password. So just go ahead and hit on continue. Now follow the simple verification process. For example, right here. All right, as you can see here, it is loading. Just go ahead and hit on X right here and click on again, my passkey are not available. And then it's going to ask you to verify via email. So just go ahead and go to your emailing service, for example, Gmail, and you should receive this exact email where it gives you a code. Just copy the code. Go back to the login page. Now in here, just put the verification code. And once done, just hit on submit. Now it's going to ask you to put in your new password and just copy the password to here and just hit on confirm. And once done, you just recovered your Binance account. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.